How to activate Metro by T mobile SIM card. To activate your Metro by T mobile SIM card, locate the SIM card that came with your Metro by T mobile device or the one you purchased separately. Insert the SIM card into your phone. Once the phone detects the SIM card, you may see a prompt to activate it. Follow any on-screen instructions provided. If there is no automatic prompt, open your phone's dialer and dial the on-screen number. Press the call button to initiate the call. This will connect you to the Metro by T-Mobile activation service. Follow the voice prompts to activate your SIM card. You may need to enter your phone number and other account details. After providing the necessary information, wait for the activation process to complete. This may take a few moments. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.